Hi, this is Amber at RealCraft, and I'm here with our expert craftsman, Ryan. And we're going to explain why we use white oak thresholds for our entry doors. So Ryan, what are some of the advantages of using white oak specifically?
White oak, it's really hard. You can walk on it for a long time and it won't compress. A few little scratches, but it's really a dense, hard wood. The main advantage to white oak is that it's a closed cell wood, meaning that it won't absorb water. For hundreds of years, they used it for sailboats on the hull because of that, because it wouldn't take on water. So if it's good enough for a sailboat, it's probably good enough for a threshold.
Yeah, I agree. And can you tell me a little bit about the design? Why have we chosen to make it smooth?
That's for so that the water can run off. You don't want water collecting on anything and then coming up into the bottom of the door. That's the first place a wooden door will fail. And so we have a gentle slope that allows water to run up, comes down the door and then it runs off onto the ground. And it hangs out a little bit too, so it won't come up underneath the threshold itself.
Awesome. And we ship these unfinished, right? So what kind of finished product would you recommend our customers apply?
It depends on your taste. You can put a polyurethane finish. Anything you really put on it, if you're walking on it, you've got dirt on your shoes, it's going to wear. So you might just leave it raw. Some people like that. Other people have a wood floor, so you might want to match the flooring finish to the threshold of the door.
Awesome.
Another option.
Yeah. Cool. So there's a little bit about our white oak thresholds. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks, Ryan, for explaining that.
Sure.